Still safe. Levels are holding. Confirmed route to the bus coordinates. Proceeding. Coordinates match. Location confirmed. Right in the deep woods. Prepare for recovery. Almost there.
There it is.
All right. Thick moss, heavy vines. Definitely need to clear this canopy first. Looks like extensive chainsaw work is required.
Readings elevated, but stable and safe. 40 years has reduced the contamination. Safe with precautions. Document accordingly.
The Cyrillic lettering confirms it. This is the Lviv-manufactured LAZ-695N, abandoned for 40 years.
40 years. 15 вірічі. Центральна.
Still here. Unbelievable. 40 years. This place is a habitat. Birds, insects, complete ecosystem. Need a careful plan for this.
All right, let's get this done. Making progress, revealing the old girl. Almost got this front section clear.
All right, front's looking good. The yellow's really coming back now. Yeah, now for the back. Door mechanisms frozen, pneumatic systems long failed, seals rotted, glass shattered, mechanism seized solid, movement.
The driver compartment of the LAZ bus. The instruments, frozen in time.
40 years exposure evident. Cooling system destroyed, engine seized solid.
All right, winch is extending. Keep an eye on the path. Hook is on the front frame. Let's start tightening.
Radiation levels dropping significantly. Safety protocols confirmed. Proceeding with final checks.
Levels are nominal. Ready for transport. Cables attached. Ready to winch. Take up the slack. Easy does it. Slow and steady. Clear the ramp. We're almost there. Stop winching.
Ще один стяг. Цей автобус не зрушить з місця.
Радіація в нормі. Можна їхати.
Зрозумів. Рушай.
All right, doors opening. Careful now. Nice and slow. Affirmative. Bringing her in. We made it. Phase 2 is on. Unloading sequence initiated.
Readings clear. Safe for restoration. Great job.
All right, little ones, let's get you outside gently. There you go, safe and sound. Now, back to work. All right, these rusted bolts are loose. Careful of the vinyl dust. Okay, lifting the left side now. Got it. Another one down.
Severe rust perforation through to the ground. Structural integrity compromised. Yes, complete floor replacement required.
All right, let's get this 8. All right, let's get this frame back in shape. All right, here it is, the heart of the beast, resurrected. Cylinders honed, pistons fresh, carburetor sings. 40 years defeated. Better than new. Давай, трошки вправо. Нижче. Стоп. Ідеально. Затягуємо.
The complete overhaul ensures maximum reliability. With the new actuators and sensors installed,
The iconic rounded body is returning. Measure the gap on the top section. Perfect alignment. The paintwork is flawless.
The LAZ yellow specification demands absolute precision. With these final tints added, we have achieved.
All right, first layer going down, looking good. Steady as she goes, building that depth. Just need to finish this pass. Factory yellow achieved. All right, final coat on the yellow. Looking good, let it set. Perfect, done.
surfaces. The seats must be perfectly aligned, securing each bolt firmly.
It's coming together beautifully, satisfied.
40 years defeated. Chernobyl artifact preserved. A masterpiece.
Choke set. Fuel looks good. Let's see if this old girl wakes up.
Come on, you old beast. Just one breath. Let's do it. Turn over. Almost there.
Look! Yes, it's alive. After 40 years, she runs perfectly. Immediate. Perfect. She's got the power. Oh. Better than new. All right. Everything ready. Let's do this.
And so it finds its permanent home. A 40-year journey complete. History truly honored at last.
We dedicate this preserved LAZ bus and room phone center to the resident area